Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your stock headlights on your 2018 Toyota Sienna from stock headlights to an LED headlight. And they went with this LASFIT LED lighting, safe, stylish, and the light bulb size is H11. It's a 6000 K output. So I did the driver's side first. So you want to go ahead and push in and turn to your left, and go ahead and take out the bulb and give yourself a little room, and with that little tab you want to go ahead and push it and take out the old bulb. And once you take that out, go ahead and place the new one, the LEDs, and plug it in. This is just straight plug and play. And once you plug it in, you want to go ahead and test the light. And testing the light to make sure it's working, because if it's not, you want to go ahead and unplug by pushing that the tab and plugging it in reverse, just to make sure that the light turns on. But mine went ahead and turned on, so I'm good. Next, you want to go ahead and place back the bulb, and what you want to do is tuck in the wires down again, align the light, and find those little tabs. And once you find it, you want to go ahead and push it in and turn to your right, and just make sure all the wires are tucked away. And there you have it. Next will be the passenger side, and the same thing. You just go ahead and push it in and turn to your left. And once you do that, you want to go ahead and do the same thing, is push that little tab, and from there you could take out the bulb. And next, you just want to go ahead and plug in the new one and test it out and make sure it's working. And if it's not, the same thing. You just want to go ahead and press the tab and unplug it and reverse the plug. As you see, mine, it actually turned on. So next, you want to go ahead and place it back, tuck in the wires, and go ahead and line the tabs again. And once you align the tab, push in and turn to your right. And just make sure everything is tucked away and secured. And what I did next was just make sure and turned on the lights, and they're both working. And there you have it. Everything is good to go. And what I did was just put the old ones in the box and gave it back to them, and they do whatever they want to do with it. So if you like this video and it was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you for watching.